Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to follow your Facebook friends on your TikTok account. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, open TikTok application, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on add friends icon on the upper left corner, and here you should have to tap on the third option, Facebook friends. Once you tap on this, you should allow TikTok to access to your Facebook account, and after that you can see the full list of your Facebook friends who have created TikTok accounts. So these are my Facebook friends who are also on TikTok, so I can follow it here easily. So hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.